guys, my name is Ksyzha. Today we're cooking pork in Instant Pot. We have 1 kilo big piece of pork. We have 1 tablespoon salty, plenty black pepper, coriander, plenty garlic, bay leaves and some paprika. Let's start. We do small cutting inside the meat and put the piece of garlic and piece of bay leaf. And also it will be better do with all spicy when we will have that small wall there, and do the whole piece of meat. Guys, you must do plenty that cutting because it will be more tasty, more flavor. That garlic, bay leaf, all spices will come in that inside the meat. It will be not just on the top like it's usual when we cooking. We have nice piece meat with fatty. I hope it will be nice and juicy. We're done with garlic and bay leaf. This one we will keeps for some soup or some other dish, and mix it all with spices. Plenty together, probably 2 tablespoons, and do very nice massage for our piece of meat. The paprika do very nice color. We actually use it for color, and I hope it will take some smoked taste. I hope it will be very spicy. We'll try to get in that pockets our spices. Proper. Don't lose anything. Don't miss any pockets. Here we go. Now it's ready. We put a cup of water in our instant food and turn it for 1 hour. It should be enough for 1 kilo meat. Put our meat in instant pot. We put this cup of water and leave relaxing for 1 hour. It should be fine. So we're done. Close the lid, check the seal. Let's check now and start cooking. Do 1 hour. So, and waiting. Leave, keep it warm on because we will do slow release. Our meat is ready. It's already 10 minutes in keeping warm. We do pressure release. That's very nice. Done. It's just a look on this gorgeous It smells unbelievable.
Looks good, guys.
Yeah. And plenty of salt. Just give me a second spoon. Very spicy. Fish.
Spoon the pot so it's tender.
Yeah, it's very tender. You see, I even don't need a knife to try the meat. Yeah, it's very spicy. And lots of pepper. And very nice. But it needs to be cooled down. Definitely it will be much more better.